Hi everybody, it's John Thompson. Today I'm going to show you my finished model of the USS New Jersey. I have worked on this model all through my break for school. I begin my final semester of graduate school next week and wanted to show you a quick tour of what I've done. Photo etch I've used on here is Edward. The rigging was a bit complicated. What I had to wind up doing was referring to several different models on the internet as well as the box top to get an idea as to what the rigging is. The case itself actually is an older case that I have. This originally housed a paper model of the SS United States, and I was able to find a new home for it. I can show you some more details on the stern here. We can go around here. We'll move forward here, show you where the fueling post is. I wound up doing the Tomahawk missile launchers. They were a bit tough to do. It took one or two to kind of figure out basically what to do and how to fold the parts. These were again very tiny parts and pieces. And we're moving through the superstructure again. Here we go, working on the bridge. Now, the Battle E itself, I was telling everybody in the video previously, I found Battle E decorations. Unfortunately, they're not the authentic ones that you see on the memorial today of the USS New Jersey. In addition to which, I also, for the 1983 outfitting, did not add that feature that's on her stern. So I sort of basically modeled it with some creative license, I guess you could say. But she did have a Battle E apparently at one time like that on her on the bridge. There was a tick mark under it, and here you can see again how the 16-inch guns turned out, forecastle detail, and of course my ship-to-shore antenna. So I'm going to go around to the port side here. We'll take a look at that, give you an idea. I did have one issue. The 62 right here had to be replaced. I had some model decals which I put on the model, and it actually matched the Tamiya ones. The decals on this were very old due to age, so I did not get a lot of the other decals. A lot of the striping was bad. To basically point out to you that when I did some of the detail work on this, I did have decals that went down beautifully, and then when I put the microsol on, the decals wound up getting pulled up and torn, so I couldn't use them. I had to use striping tape, which I had cut down to about approximately the same thickness, and that worked for the firing lines, because I remember seeing solid firing lines, not dashed ones, on the USS New Jersey when I visited it in Camden. Again, here you go, port side. And I have her two SH-60 helicopters in place. I don't know if she had these on board authentically, because I did see other helicopters aboard, but just to give you an idea as to what I've been up to on it. Thank you very much, and this was a joy to build, so have a great day.